Hi guys, and welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. Today we are going to make yogurt using a mesophilic starter. So I'll be using this VILLI starter that I got from eBay, and I'll be using whole milk. You can use any type of milk that you prefer. So the ratio is 1 tablespoon of the starter to 1 cup of milk. So this contains 2 tablespoons of the starter. I'm going to add in 2 cups of milk. Mesophilic starters does not require heating, so you don't need to heat the milk or warm the milk. Straight from the fridge is fine. So place the starter in a glass jar and pour in 2 cups of milk over it. The ratio of the starter to the milk is 1:1, meaning 1 tablespoon of a starter to 1 cup of milk. Once you are done adding in the starter and the milk, mix everything together properly. Use a plastic or a wooden spoon. Please do not use a metal spoon while stirring it. Once you are done mixing everything properly, cover with a paper towel and a rubber band. Do not use the lid of the jar to cover it. Need something that will let air to go in and out of the jar. Next, label and keep undisturbed at room temperature for 16 to 18 hours. You can leave it for a longer period of time depending on the temperature of where you kept it. So after 20 hours, the yogurt was set. As you can see, it is no longer pourable like thin milk. If you would like yours to be more thicker than this, you need to leave it for a longer period of time. So the next thing you need to do before you start enjoying this yogurt is to reserve your starter for your next batch of yogurt. Once you are done taking out your next starter, you can add any sweetener of your choice and enjoy the yogurt. You can also top with any fruit of your choice. So for me, I like the yogurt plain. I did not add any sweetener to it. Example of sweeteners you can use is like sugar or honey or any other one you might think of. So I topped this with strawberry, and that was it. I enjoyed this yogurt. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.